Welcome back. The State Assembly is unanimous that grants should be made available to aided schools for construction of compound walls and providing CCTV cameras. Former Chief Minister Digambar Kamath had raised this issue of security of children and installing CCTV cameras in school premises in the wake of Vasco rape incident. Education Minister Parrikar said that security to children is of utmost importance and government can provide CCTV cameras to all the schools.
ग्रांट इन एड जी स्कीम आशिल्ली तातूंत मदल्या दिसांनी भितर एक म्हाका आशिल्ली गजाल केली ती म्हणजे कोणे तरी भितर हे करूंक जाय मॉडगेज करूंक जाय म्हणून बरयलें आनी त्यामुळे ती स्किमीचे बरेचशे पाड पडले ते परते रीड्राफ्ट करून ती स्कीम मिडल ऑफ एप्रील आमी जाहीर करता ताज्या अंडर कोणाक कंपाउंड जाय जाल्यार ताका इमिजिएटली आमी पयशे रिलीज करता इनफॅक्ट कंपाउंडाक जाय जाल्यार वी वील रिलीज द मनी based on chartered accountant certificate 100% for the compound. Speaker sir, फक्त एंट्री पॉइंटाक जर स्कूल हे करता आसत कंपाउंड बांदता आसत आनी ते कंपाउंड बांदतकच एंट्री पॉइंटाक जर तूं तांकां CCTV जाय जाल्यार डायरेक्ट हेडमिस्ट्रेसीच्या ऑफिसान ते दिसपाची वेवस्था करपाची गजाल वी एग्री.
No need to fear. Dengue cases are now under control at Mobor, Kudbona. Health Officer Dr. Nixon Fernandez made it clear that no new dengue cases have been reported in Mobor area for the past almost 1.5 weeks. But doctor has also cautioned people to ensure that mosquito breeding doesn't take place. 2 weeks back, 4 dengue cases were detected in Mobor.
People at Mobor Kudbon were petrified when 4 dengue cases were detected 2 weeks back. Thereafter, intense fogging was carried out in this area as an emergency mosquito control measure. Health officer from Chichinim Health Center has made it clear that they have been successful in tapping the transmission cycle of virus.
We had 4 confirmed cases, but there were many more cases also wherein there was a fever, which again subsided on its own. People might have not tested it and things like that. But then 4 confirmed cases means the virus was very much present in that locality. And right now the cases of fever have gone down. In fact, we have not had any case of fever reported from that area in the last 1.5 weeks. So it implies that we have cut the transmission cycle of the virus.
Doctor advises people all over to ensure that mosquito breeding doesn't take place in their areas.
So people will have to be very cautious because fogging is not a measure that can be taken, that we can resort to in just about every place every time. It is done only as an emergency measure, and that is what has been done here, so that we can break the transmission cycle of the mosquito. So people will have to be extremely cautious, not only in that area, but everywhere, to ensure that mosquito breeding doesn't take place.
Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
PWD Minister Sudhin Davlikar has assured to construct a sewerage plant for the GCA campus. Davlikar also assured to repair all the roads connecting the Goa Engineering College. He was speaking during the 3-day Inter-Collegiate Tech Fest Nirman in Farmagudi.
Definitely, the technology which will be used will be CTEC technology, which is the latest technology where the water which is purified even can be drink. But being a sewerage water, it is difficult. So my sincere request to the head of the department, Civil Way, you act as a consultant. Give me full drawings of the campus, in which way the lines will go. Whatever expenditure for this purpose will be borne by the PWD Sewerage Corporation. I will see that all roads will be repaired and make good to the people, students, at least by 15th of May, I assure.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/PrudentMedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.